Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today's lesson is all about question words. We will look at 7 W's and 2 H's. Let's begin. 7 question words that begin with a W are who, what, when, where, why, whose, and which. How do we use these words? Let's have a look. Who refers to people. For example, who is this? This is Steve. What refers to a specific thing. For example, what is this? This is a car. Where refers to a location. Where do you live? I live in Toronto. When refers to an occasion. For example, when is your birthday? My birthday is on June 12, 1983. When also refers to a time. When are you going shopping? I am going shopping tomorrow. The question word why is used to get an explanation. For example, why didn't you go to school today? Because I was not feeling well. Which is used when a choice needs to be made. For example, which shirt are you going to wear? I will wear the blue shirt. The question word whose refers to possession. For example, whose shoes are these? These are Sally's shoes. Next, let's look at 2 H's. How and how many. How is used to describe someone's manner. For example, how is your new teacher? She is very friendly. How is also used to describe an aspect of something. For example, how is the food? It is delicious. How is also used to describe the manner in which something is done. For example, how do I open this box? You have to use a key. How many refers to quantity. For example, how many students are in your class? There are 20 students in my class. Next, let's read a letter from Lisa. Hi, I'm Lisa. I am feeling great today. How are you? I live in a city called Ottawa. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am on my way to the library because I love reading and because I need to get some more books. I would love to meet you someday. Love, Lisa. Can you think of some questions you can ask Lisa using the question words we have learned? Let's go through the question words again. Who, what, when, where, why, whose, which, how, and how many. Let's see if you can find answers to these questions in Lisa's letter. What is her name? That's right, her name is Lisa. How is she feeling? You got it, she is feeling great. Where does she live? Go ahead. That's it! She lives in Ottawa. Great work! Where is she going? That's right, she is going to the library. Why is she going to the library? You got it! She is going to the library to get more books. How many brothers and sisters does she have? You are right. She has 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Well done! That will be all for today. You did wonderful. I will see you next time. Bye! By the end of this lesson, I know what question words are. I know the 7 W's and the 2 H's. I can ask simple questions using the question words.